Okay, the problem is the wheel cylinder. It's coming out from here. It's pissing oil from inside the drum. So we take out the shaft, the drum. The wheel cylinder have to be changed, have to be like this. This is the new one. This one is coming all the way out from this side. This side is good. The brakes choices are good, not bad. This is the only problem. I have to change it after bleed the whole system for the brake and put a new brake fluid. So now we take it out. Here you go, you see the piston is out. And here's this pin. Goes to the brake shoes right there. Okay. Now we have to clean it well. Then we're gonna put the new master cylinder. And from the back, because it's really dirty too. Look how much crap we have here. The first thing we do, we install this on the place. We put this one on the place, like this. Bleeder. Okay, so now this is the place to put the brake line and those two to hold the wheel cylinder. So we're gonna put the brake line on place, then we're gonna put the two bolts to hold it on place. And we're gonna show you how we're gonna bleed it. Okay, so now we install the wheel cylinder, we install the brake line, two bolts. We just put the tools in place. Now we're gonna tighten the springs. After this, we're gonna have to bleed the whole system.